Welcome to this episode of Art and Food in Sicily. Let's begin with Piero Morabito. Ciaramedda bagpipe is one of the typical Sicilian instruments. Piero is from Messina. Messina is in the eastern side of Sicily, is the closest town to the Italian peninsula, to the mainland, just 4 kilometers away. Piero says what Victor Hugo says: music expresses what cannot be expressed in words and what cannot remain silent. At the age of 10, he played the tambourine in ethnic ensembles, and at the age of 24, he fell in love with the ciaramedda, Sicilian for bagpipe. And now he's not only a skilled player, but also one of the most prestigious Sicilian builders. Let's listen to Piero.
Siamo siciliani che sono a ciaramedda.
The favorite Sicilian food of Piero Morabito is the pesce stocco alla ghiotta. So it's a stockfish prepared in a Sicilian way with potatoes, tomatoes, olives, peanuts, onions. Is a typical from Messina area. Piero Morabito. And here we have Daniela Iozzia. She's a Sicilian coffa designer. Daniela was born in Ragusa, Ibla, even if she lives in Vittoria, but they are very close to one another. Ragusa Ibla is one of the most important capital of the Baroque style. It's also very important architecture here in Sicily, the Baroque style. She says, for me, art is the maximum expression of one's personality. Since she was a child showing a great love for art, she decided to get involved. And she expressed her creative vein only in 2019, when she started producing Sicilian coffees and silk scarves. Today her coffee are luxury bags suitable to be worn at any event. The favorite food of Daniela Iozzia is the arancino, the Sicilian arancino, that is fried rice ball filled with ragu. So if you come to Sicily, enjoy the arancino. Daniela Iozzia. And here we have our puppeteer, builder of Sicilian puppets, Gianfranco Salonia. The Sicilian puppet is a work of art between history and fantasy that recalls the childhood stories of every Sicilian. Gianfranco is from Sortino, that is renowned for hosting the the site, the archaeological site, the necropolis of Pantalica. This is a world apart. Here in Sicily, the gorgeous Pantalica, there are 4,000 prehistoric tombs carved on the rock, and down there is also a river. It's a very magic place. He says, even today I continue this passion, which in the meantime has become my only job, which love and dedication, with the hope of improving without ceasing to learn. Salonia is known all over the world for his own style. The opera of the puppets has made the joy of the people since 1700, when the puppeteer and his traveling theater were expected in the squares of the villages of Sicily. The opera of the puppets narrates the deeds of the Charlemagne paladins. The main characters are Orlando Rinaldo and the beautiful Angelica. The favorite food of Gianfranco Salonia is the pasta coi ricci, pasta with sea urchins, and it's delicious pasta and very delicious pasta, yes, very renowned here in Sicily. Gianfranco Salonia. And here we have Margherita Veneziani decorations. Margherita, she's not Sicilian, she's from Puglia, in the southern side of the mainland peninsula of Italy, of the mainland, and at a certain point of her life she fell in love with Sicily and was fascinated by it. She says the sea, which is a paradise for the eyes and for the soul, transmits to me love for this magic island, which inspires me whenever I have to create and tell the story of Sicilia. Margherita, Sicilian favorite food is the cannolo. Our cannolo, so very famous all over the world. And the cannolo with the filled with the ricotta cheese. The ricotta cheese has a flavor that you can enjoy only in Sicily. Margherita Veneziani. Okay, goodbye everyone, ciao a tutti. Thank you for having me for this episode of Art and Food in Sicily. I am inside the sauna, and I believe that the sauna is an artistic place. It's a place that inspires me. And see you next time for the next episode of Art and Food in Bella Sicilia. Ciao a tutti.